Hey everyone, welcome back to ScribeSphere Summaries. Today we're diving into one of the most influential books of all time, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Whether you're looking to build better relationships, excel in your career, or improve your social skills, this book covers you. Let's break down the top 7 key lessons from this timeless classic that will help you master the art of influence and connection. Stay tuned. Lesson number 1, a simple smile can work wonders. Carnegie emphasizes that smiling is a powerful tool for making a great first impression. A genuine smile signals warmth and openness, breaking down barriers instantly. So next time you meet someone new or even interact with colleagues, remember to smile. Lesson number 2, remember that a person's name is, to that person, the sweetest sound in any language. Carnegie explains that using someone's name in conversation is a great way to make them feel valued and respected. Whether in a professional setting or casual conversation, try to remember and use names. It makes a difference. Lesson number 3, be a good listener and encourage others to talk about themselves. Carnegie teaches us that people love talking about themselves, and when you genuinely listen, you earn their trust and friendship. Ask open-ended questions, show interest, and watch how quickly you build rapport. Lesson number 4, avoid criticizing, condemning, or complaining. Carnegie believes that criticism only puts people on the defensive and damages relationships. Instead, try to understand others' perspectives and offer constructive feedback that helps rather than hurts. Lesson number 5, give honest and sincere appreciation. Everyone likes to feel appreciated, and Carnegie insists that recognizing others' efforts can motivate them and strengthen your relationships. Be genuine in your praise and make it specific. This will make your compliments more meaningful. Lesson number 6, arouse in the other person an eager want. Carnegie suggests that to influence others, you need to understand their desires and frame your requests in a way that appeals to them. Focus on what they want, not just what you want. Lesson number 7, make others feel important and do it sincerely. Carnegie teaches that when you make people feel important and involve them in decisions, they are more likely to cooperate and work with you. In leadership or teamwork, showing others their contributions matter is key. And there you have it, 7 powerful lessons from how to win friends and influence people. These timeless principles can transform how you connect with others and influence the world around you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights from classic books like this one. Also, comment below, what's your favorite lesson from the book? Thanks for watching.